Hello, my dear friends and followers. This is Abhishek. I welcome you to my channel Ayodhya Informative. In my previous video, I have started a next topic of arithmetic progression, that is nth term of the arithmetic progression. In that, I have explained how to find out a nth term of the arithmetic progression, and also I solved one example. In that example, they have mentioned to find out, they have given to find out a term, nth term. So the nth term is 10th term. We need to calculate 10th term from the given data. In that first term and common difference, all these data are given. From that data, we need to calculate the 10th term. In that question, mention the position, we need to calculate the a number. So in today's video, I am going to start with a next example. So before going to start today's video, if you are watching my videos for the first time, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. Let's get started. Today's the first question is, which term of the AP 21, 18, 15, so on is minus 81? Also, is any term 0? Give a reason. So here, this is the given sequence. That is, sequence is 21, 18 and 15, so on is the given sequence. Sequence, we need to calculate the position number of this term. In previous question, they have mentioned the position number, means 10th term. We need to calculate the 10th term. We didn't know the value. But here we know the value. We need to calculate its position in this sequence. So how to calculate this? Let's see. So let's consider 21. First term A is 21. So this is the first term. And common difference. What is common difference? Common difference is D. 18 minus 21. So how to calculate 18 minus 21? Minus 3 is the answer. So we know now we have a value of first term, that is 21, and common difference, the difference between the two terms, consecutive terms, as minus 3. Now consider a value of nth term of the AP is given by first term plus n minus 1 into D. So this is the formula to calculate the nth term. This is the formula to calculate nth term of the AP. Now, substitute the values over here. We need to calculate an only. We don't know the value of n, value of n. That is the task to find out the n. So here an as it is, we have a value of a, that is 21. Substitute over here, then plus n as it is, because we still don't know the value of n. That's why I keep it as it is, into what is the value of d, that is minus 3. Now how to substitute over here? An equals to 21 plus n minus 1 into minus 3. But here an is given. An is minus 81. So minus 81 is the term value of an, not n, not a n. So if they have asked, find out term, that is second term, then the second term, the value of second term is n. But here the term is given, not the value of n. That's why I am taken it as an is equals to minus 81. So substitute an as minus 81 equal to 21 plus into minus, that is minus 3 into n minus 1. Now minus 81, 21 minus that is 3n, minus into minus, that is plus 3. Now minus 81 equal to 21 plus 1 equal to 21 plus 3 is 24 minus 3n. This is the value. How to calculate this value? Here we need to find out the value of n. Value of n. How to calculate? So in this equation, a sign, a minus sign, terms which are having a minus sign, take it one side and positive one side. If you take minus here, it becomes plus 3n. If you shift this minus 81 to another side, what we get? 24 plus 81. So this is the value. Now 3n. What is 24 plus 81? That is 105. Now 3n equal to 105. Now here in this term, in this equation, we need to calculate the value of n. Here we know we have to calculate, we need n. So in order to find out this n, we need to shift this 3 to another side. So if I shift this 3, it will become divided by 5, this 3. So what is, if you divide, the value we are getting is 31. Now the value of 31, n is 31. Now the conclusion is minus 81 in this sequence, minus 81, a number minus 81 is present in the position number, that is 31. So 31 is the position of the sequence, the position of the number in which minus 81 is present. This is how we have to calculate this type of example. Here the next continuation is, also is any term 0. So in this sequence, any term or any number is present as a 0. Let's find out. See, in order to even, what is the minus 3? Now 0, 21, minus into plus, plus into minus. What is minus into plus? This is 3, n minus 1, 0, 21, minus 3n, minus into minus, that is plus 3, 21 plus 3. What is 21 plus 3? 24 minus 3 and as it is. Now, if you shift this minus 3n to this side, it will become plus 3n equal to, here already 0 is in plus sign, equal to 24 as it is. 3n plus 0 is 3n equal to 24, n equal to 24. If you shift this 3 to this side, it will become divide. We need to calculate n. That's why this equals 3 ones are 3 eights are, therefore 8. Hence, we conclude that in this sequence, 0 is present at the 8th position or at the 8th term. In this sequence or in this progression, in this arithmetic progression, 8th position, 8th term consists as the term as 0. Like this, we have to solve these type of examples. So let's move on to the next example. So in this example, we need to write or we need to create a sequence, arithmetic progression from these two data. Here third term is given, third term n is given as 3 and a3 is given as 5, and seventh term n is given as 7 and an is given as, sorry, a7 is given as 9. These two informations are given. From these two data, from these two information, we need to create an arithmetic progression. Let's see how. A3 is given as first term into n minus 1 into d. Now here we have to calculate a and d value. A3 as 5 equal to a we don't know plus what is the value of n? N is 3 minus 1 into d. 5 equal to a. 3 minus 1. What is 3 minus 1? Is 2d. This is equation number 1. Next, similarly, a7. What is a7? A plus n minus 1 into d. a7. A plus what is value of n? 7 minus 1. A7 value is 9 into d. 7 minus 1. Therefore 9 equal to a plus 6d. Call it as equation number 2. Then after solving these two pair of equation, what value we are getting? 5 equal to a plus 2d. 9 equal to a plus 6d. Now sign change, sign change, sign change. Plus a and minus a will cancel. 5 minus 9 is minus 4 equal to 2 minus 6d. 2d minus 6d is minus 4d. Here for minus 4 will cancel. What value we have? D as 1. Now substitute value of d in any of these two equations. Let's see. U equal to a plus 2. The value of 1 with d we are getting is 1. U equal to a plus 2 ones are 2. So we have to calculate a. So shift this 2 as it is to this side. So a is 5 minus 2 is 3. So here we calculated the value of a and b. From these two information, can we write or can we create an AP? Yes. So a first term is 3, b is 1. Now a 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 1 8, 9, so on. See here, this is the AP we have found. This AP, we created this AP. Now check whether this information, whether the given information is correct or not. Let's see. Here the third term is given as 5. Check whether the given in a sequence, what we have created the sequence, what we have created an arithmetic progression. In that sequence, whether a third term is 5 or not. First term, second, third term. Yes, third term is 5. And seventh term is 9. Third, fourth term, fifth, sixth, seventh. Hence, seventh term is 9. Hence, this given required arithmetic progression is verified. So, this is all about today's video. In the next video, I am going to solve another example. So if you have any doubt in this video, let me know through the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe if you are watching my videos for the first time. Thank you.